YouTube? This your boy, Most Incredible, back with another video, back with another banger today. Alright, y'all. I haven't started the car up since last night, so I'm gonna give y'all a nice little cold start. The sound never get too old for me, though. Settle in, down. You already know what it is. It's your boy. I'm back with another video, back with another banger today. That's not me. But anyway, let's jump right into the video. So as most of y'all know, this is straight factory. Y'all already know this, right? So I'm gonna see if this JLT performance intake works for my car. Red Velvet bought it for her car, but she have the shaker on her car, so it doesn't fit. But it says on the instructions that it fits. Where is it? Right here. 11 through 21, 6.4, 6.4 liter, 392 SRT, Charger, Challenger, and 300, excluding shaker hood mods. That's why. But she ordered the wrong one. So now, before I pay her for it, I'm gonna make sure that it fits my car perfect. Like, no ifs and buts about it. I have so many stuff I have to do today. I gotta edit videos. I gotta do this. I gotta edit this video out. So now, let's get straight into it. No ifs and buts about it. Let's go. So in order to take this off, what I'm gonna take this off, which is an 8mm. I'm gonna take this one off. I don't know exactly what size. It's like a 10 probably. Or it might be just be an 8 as well. Let's see. I got the 8 on there. Yep, that's an 8 as well. And then I'm gonna take this one off. The two, so 1, 2, and 3 I have to take off. 1, 2, 3 I have to take off. Then I gotta take this clip off right here too as well. So as y'all can see that I took it all the way off. With the with this little hose thing right here, just pull it. It'll come right on out. It's not gonna damage nothing. But I will tell you to lift your if you have your covers on, just lift it up and you'll see where it's coming from right here. All I did was just pull that mug right on up and it came. With this, you got to give it a little tug because you're gonna need this right here for your intake. So remember to just pull this one out. Basically like with the clamp, just pull the clamp and pull it right on out. And then when you take that off, then with this one, just take it off and just pull it right on out. It'll come right on out. It won't hurt nothing, it won't damage nothing. Just make sure you pull it straight on up. Don't go left, don't go right or nothing like that. Don't go right or left. My fault, I went left and said right. But don't go left and right with it. Just pull it right on up and it should come out easy. But I forgot to tell y'all that y'all also can use a flathead screwdriver as well. I don't know why I didn't tell y'all that, but y'all always have to use the socket. You can also use the flathead screwdriver. Me personally, I use the socket, but right now I think this thing is broken. I've used it about 50 million times, so I think it's broken. I'm not sure, but it is what it is. So I got my flathead screwdriver. I don't care what size it was. It fit perfect in there. I just start to tighten it up. All right, you're gonna need this tube right here because you're gonna need to connect it back to here. Yeah, to here. Oh, my fault, y'all. I had the camera down. Hey, y'all bear with me a little bit. I'm still trying to get used to this whole YouTube thing. So you're gonna need this tube that came off your factory one, and you're gonna need to put it right here to here. So let me work this angle out right here and see what I can do. You know what I'm saying? All right, my people, look, man. Do not judge me. Do not judge me, not at all. Cause if you judge me, ain't nothing gonna happen. But man, don't. Hey, man, go ahead, stop playing. But now, make sure you get the rubber piece off the factory one, yo. Cause my fault, everybody. My fault. That's on me. Make sure you get the factory one, yo. Make sure you get the factory rubber boot off of it, and try to get this bad boy back out. Get that bad boy back out. Then I'm at the pull that out. Put that right there. Pull you back out. This bad boy big. Hold on. So when you do get it, make sure when you get it, put the rubber piece on my car. Make sure when you do get it, put it right there. So that way this piece right here can fit right in that hole right there. Fit in that hole. So that way when you go to shake, you know, the car shake when you crank it up. Yeah, go to the, now let me stop. But now, yo, make sure you put that rubber piece back on. Make sure you put that rubber piece back on. And it fell off. Son of a biscuit. Yo, I'm gonna put this in the video anyway. But yeah, I gotta go down here and find that rubber piece. I'll be back with you. Okay, I found it. It's on there. So now, what you gotta do now, put your factory screw back in here with the 8mm right here. Just tighten it up so the box won't be shaking or nothing like that. And another thing, just posting the video, okay, cool, TikTok. And another thing, I went ahead and just wipe around my throttle body. You know, even though I got an oil catch can, they wanted to make sure that it actually do works. I think, I'm not quite sure. But anyway, I did wipe down my inside my throttle body. And I just wipe it down. I was wanting to show you how I wipe it down. But I did went ahead and put this on. I didn't tighten it up yet, but I'm about to go ahead and tighten it up and set it in there, see how it look. It's red because, like I said, Red Velvet was going to, she thought she could get it installed in her car, but it wouldn't fit. It's not for the shaker. It's for this one. So if I could find a intake which is purple or green or the lime green, 9 times out of 10, I will go ahead and get that and just deal with it and just be cool with it. You know what I'm saying? So with this whole tube right here, I told you you're gonna need this tube right here. I told you you're gonna need. So all you gotta do is put it right back on there, but take this clamp here that they give you, put it on here, put it on just like this. And this is a coupling. I'm gonna show y'all where it go at. So put that on there, put it right back on, and tighten it down. I think that's tight as it can get. So once that's done, you get this coupling right here, put it right in here. I'm gonna show y'all. You got to squeeze it. Well, better yet, it's already cut. So all you gotta do is make sure that it's in there. Make sure that it's in this hole right here. And I'm gonna show y'all what goes in that hole. So this is what goes in the hole, cause your sensor right here, and you just connect it back together, and there you go, you got it. Now your JLT performance intake is in. This is a little. So I need 4 favors from y'all. If you're new to this channel, I need 4. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And we out.